How to fix CapCut template not showing on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back. This is a video tutorial on how to fix CapCut template not showing on TikTok. To get things started, let's open TikTok. And as you can see, I am on my For You page right now, and this video currently playing doesn't have any CapCut template showing on it. Now, the reason being is because there are actually videos that really don't have it, such as the next one. It also doesn't have the CapCut template on this. Now, in order for you to find these videos that actually have CapCut templates, all you have to do is tap on the search icon at the right top corner. And from here, you have to just look up CapCut templates. And now if you take a look at the videos we have here, such as this one, it has the CapCut template icon right here, just above the name of the user who posted the video. And all you need to do is tap on it to use the CapCut template. However, if this is still not showing, the next best thing for you to do is remove the app or delete the app. So tap on TikTok and then just remove the app and tap delete app right here. Afterwards, just re-download the app from the App Store. And from here, just look up TikTok and just re-download it again. Now, once TikTok finally re-downloaded, just try the same thing, check CapCut templates, and if it's not showing, then the next best thing for you to do is to actually look up CapCut templates manually. So let's go to our Safari, and from here, really just look up CapCut templates. And as you can see, there are a lot of results from the CapCut website. So all you have to do is really just tap on the first one right here and just make use of the templates we have available. So maybe use this one. You have to make sure though that you have the CapCut app in order for you to use it. So as you can see, it asks me to download the app. And there you go. Just go back to your app store and do the same thing as we did on TikTok. Just download the app. And that really is how to fix the CapCut template not showing on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, please let us know in the comments below. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.